Parents, good day, boys and girls of Practical Computer Comprehensive School. Number 2 Howell's Chris Interbat. You're welcome back. This class is for Basic 1. I am Miss Emma Precious. So we'll be taking pre-vocational studies. And we'll be taking our agricultural science. Remember, in our last topic, we talked about nuts. We talked about uses of nuts. So today, like I said, we'll be talking about vegetable crops. So by the end of this class, boys and girls, you will understand what vegetables are. Also, you identify vegetables. Then you also identify the uses of vegetables, and then you also understand the ways to eat vegetables. Are we ready? Okay, so let's learn, boys and girls. Vegetable crops. Now, as we know, we eat more of plants, which includes vegetables. So vegetables are very important to man. Now, what are vegetable crops? Now, vegetables are crops that store their food in leaves. They store their food in the leaves or fruits. It could be in fruit form. Okay? Example of a vegetable like we have is the pumpkin leaf, the one we call ogo. We eat the leaf, right? Now, talking about fruits, vegetable, we have the tomatoes. Okay? Now the tomatoes is a vegetable, but its food is stored in a fruit, the tomato fruit. Okay? So, vegetables, most of them store their food in leaves or fruits. Alright? Now let's see examples of vegetables. We have pumpkin, we have tomato, we have okra, we have lettuce, we have cabbage, we have onion, we have water leaf, we have spinach, we have cucumber, we have scent leaf, we have many of them. We have even garden egg leaf, the one we call angara. We have so many other leaves. We have the one we call green. We also have which other one? We also have our bitter leaf, like when mom cooks bitter leaf soup. Okay. Now, these are what vegetable crops. Their food is stored in their leaves or fruit. Okay. Now let's see a picture of some vegetables. Alright, like you can see the tomato here. Alright, we have the Brussels. We won't see this. This is used for making salads. Okay. We also have our lettuce. We have our pumpkin. We have our spinach. These are what? Vegetable crops. These are vegetable crops. Okay. So let's see uses of vegetables. Now, vegetables are important to us. Vegetables are very important to us. By one, they provide our body with vitamin. Vegetables provide our bodies with what? Vitamins. Okay? Which we use in fighting diseases, which we use in fighting diseases. It enables the white blood cells in the body to fight what? Diseases. Okay? Now, vegetable gives our body minerals. Vegetables, they give our body minerals. Okay? Now, also, vegetable makes our skin healthy and fresh. Vegetable makes our skin healthy and fresh. Also, as we know, it is good to eat vegetables always. It is good to eat vegetables always. It will help you fight diseases by enabling the white blood cells in your body to fight what? Diseases. So it's very necessary that often that you eat what? Vegetables. Alright? You wouldn't fall sick if you are on steady vegetables. Like every day you eat a large amount of vegetable, different types. It will be hard for you to fall sick. Okay, so vegetables. Ways we can eat vegetables. Okay, number one, we can use vegetables to prepare salad. We can use vegetables to prepare salad. Alright, we use vegetables like our cabbage, our green beans, our green pepper, even our carrots. We use them to prepare what? Salad. And you enjoy. Okay, so number two, we use vegetables to make soup and stew. We use vegetables to make soup and stew. We use vegetables like bitter leaf, our pumpkin leaf, our garden egg leaf to make what? Soup. Why vegetable like our scent leaf we can use to make what? Stew. Alright, these are ways that we can eat our what? Vegetables. Okay, also we use vegetables to prepare porridge. Your porridge yam, your porridge plantain, your porridge potato. You use what? Vegetables to prepare them. Either you use scent leaf or you use the one we call the green, or we use pumpkin leaf to do what? Even we can also some use garden egg leaf to prepare their what? Porridge. So these are ways that we can eat our vegetables. So I don't know how best you like to eat your own vegetable. So you tell me in the school website, in the chat platform that auntie, this is the way I like eating my vegetable. Okay? Alright boys and girls, this is where we would end it for today. I'll see you in our next class. Remember, you stay safe and you study to be approved. Boys and girls, bye bye.